Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get started the video without wasting your time. So guys, how to delete Facebook account permanently on iPhone, iPad and Android phone. So guys, let's get started the video without wasting your time. So first of all, open Facebook app on your phone, and then after tap on menu, and then tap on settings and privacy. Now tap it. Now you can see it's in appear on screen, and then tap on settings, tap it, and then tap, and then scroll down, tap on personal details, and then tap on account ownership and control. Now tap it, and then tap on deactivate and deletions, and tap on profile. Now we can see here's two options and new appear on screen, and deactivate account and deletions account. Now tap on delete account, then tap continue. After that is asking before you deleting may be able to help. So so do you have, what do you like to know why you are deleting your account, as I may able to help with common issues. You may also continue without selected a reason. So selected the reasons why are you deleting your Facebook account. Now tap it, and then tap on continue, and then tap on continue. After that scroll down, and then tap on continue. Now is asking please enter your Facebook password. Now tap on your Facebook password and continue, and after your Facebook deleted. So if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching videos. Thank you.